In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to exchange stickers for stars on Monopoly Go. If you've been collecting sticker packs and find yourself with duplicates, this quick method turns those extras into stars with just a few taps, helping you progress without wasting cards you don't need. First, open your sticker album. You'll find the album icon at the bottom right corner of the game screen. This is where all your collections live, and it's the hub for managing the stickers you've gathered. Once you're inside, take a moment to scan through your sets so you know where your duplicates are. Now navigate to any sticker set where you have a duplicate. The game makes this easy to spot by showing a small plus symbol next to the sticker's card. That plus sign means you own more than one copy, which makes that sticker eligible for exchange. Tap on the duplicate sticker you want to use. This opens the sticker view so you can confirm you're choosing the right one. If you don't see the plus symbol, that card isn't a duplicate and can't be sent, so stick to the cards that clearly show it. At the bottom of the screen, press the orange Send to Friend button. This is the action that converts your duplicate into stars. You'll see the button as soon as you've selected a duplicate, and tapping it will bring up your friend list. Select a friend to send the sticker to. As soon as you confirm, the game automatically awards you stars for that sticker and handles the transfer. You don't need to do any extra math or tracking. Monopoly Go calculates it for you and credits your account right away. Each duplicate you send in this way earns you 1 star, and your friend receives the sticker you sent. You can repeat this process up to 5 times a day. That means you can exchange 5 duplicate stickers for 5 stars within a single day. If you hit the daily limit, the game will prevent additional sends until the limit resets. So plan your exchanges around the duplicates that are least useful to you. That's all there is to it. Open your album from the bottom right, look for the plus symbol to spot duplicates, tap the duplicate, hit send to friend, choose who to send it to, and enjoy the stars you earn. Repeat up to 5 times daily to make the most of your extra stickers. Thanks for watching, and happy collecting.